So we have two different systems. We have an AF series and an OS series. One is for water-soluble coolant mist, and one is for hard cutting oil coolant mist. They extract a little bit differently per the type of mist that's created by both machining operations. Yeah, so basically they both hook up directly to a machine tool. What they do is they extract the cutting mist from the coolant out of the machine tool. They capture the particulate that's created in the air, basically separating the oil out of the coolant mist itself, and then return that back into the machine tool, cleaning up the shop environment and also capturing the oil that escapes during the machining process. You got a couple different things. One, helps the machine tool life. You don't have oil covering all your ways and the outside of your machine, so it cleans it up. Two, a cleaner, safer work environment. Big thing right now is employee retention, and having the cleanest shop possible is a really good way to retain your good employees working in a safe and clean environment.